life as an IBM student. So before I wake up, I pray to the Lord, say thank you, and then I fold my blanket. And then before I proceed cooking rice, I combing my hair. And then I do the fire and cook rice. And then eat breakfast. I want to eat, eat noodles in the morning. Eat, eat, eat noodles. Fast forward. So I get ready with my uniforms and combing my hair, a jacket. It's because it's so hot outside. And then go to school. Walk. So this is our route to go to school. And finally, I am here in the school, and this is our last period in our class and accounting. Yeah, listen to the instructors and yes. And finally, we go home after all the loaded schedule.